mo ba ay pre-selling property na malapit sa Manila? Duplex house and lot na may minimum lot size na 58.5 at 70 square meters. Located lang sa General Trias. If interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Ito ang sample natin for 70 square meters lot area. Dahil duplex ito, meron tayong malaking space for side lot na provision for one carport. Approximately 8 minutes drive lang to from Robinson Gentry and 20 minutes drive lang from Cavite. Ang developer natin is the New Apex. At very known sila sa affordable housing na may matibay na gawa. Meron tayong spacious na living area. Basic finish ang turnover natin dito. Ang advantage ay makakapili ka ng color ng pink, design ng tiles at talaga namang mako-customize mo ang interior design ng property mo. Meron pang 2 meters sa service area kaya naman napakaluwag kapag in-extend mo ang kitchen mo. Going up, provision ito for 2 to 3 bedroom. No restriction nga tayo dito kay the New Apex. However, kailangan natin magsabit ng design at for major home improvement. Sa super lawak ng lot area mo, pwede ka pang magdagdag ng room at balcony. Want to know more about this property? Send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. Bye-bye!